Good morning students, myself Deena Pujara from Sri Swaminarayan Institute of Technology. Today we are making the programs line plot in Python. So today we are making the line plot in that the x-axis that represents that days, like in a week 7 days are there. So first, second, third, fourth, 5, 6 and 7. And the y-axis that represents what is the temperature. Like the first day, the temperature that is 33. Second day, the temperature that is 39. Third day, the temperature that is 26. Fourth day, the temperature that is going down, that is 22. So this graph that represents what is the temperature every day. So how can we do with the help of the Python? If we want to implement that programs in Python, we are using the Python matplotlib. So let us make the programs in Python. Going into the file, make new files. Now all of you know that if we want to use Python, then what we have to do, by using the pip, we are installing the particular module that we want to use in our programs. In Python, if we want to use the line graph, bar graph, so for that we are installing the matplotlib pyplot functions. Okay, so first of all, I had already installed the matplotlib in my programs. So first of all, import the matplotlib. So here I am writing import matplot library. In that matplot library, I want to plotting the line plot. So what I have to use, matplotlib.pyplot, and here I am giving the alias as plt. Now in this figure you can see that the x-axis that represents the days and the y-axis that represents the temperature. So what I will do here, I am declaring the two variables. Here I am declaring the list x is equal to 7 days. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So in this my list there are 7 values. First, second, third, fourth, 5 and 6. Now the y-axis that represents the temperature. Here I am taking the temporary variable y and that I have declared as a list. So the temperature is 33 at first day, 26 second day, third day it is 39. You can give anything, 44, 44, 46, 34. So here I am giving the 7 values. So the x-axis that has the 7 values and y-axis that is also 7 values. Now if I want to use the line plot in my programs, what we are using? We are using the PLT. So the PLT, what is PLT? PLT is a matplotlib pyplot functions. In that one float functions is that, and we are passing the arguments. What is the first argument that I want to pass? Which things that I want to represent as a x-axis. So here we had already declared the variable x. So x is represented as x-axis. What are the second variable that you want to represent as a y-axis? So here the y that shows the temperature. So that's why here I am giving the the label, how can I give? Label equal to line floats of temperature. Now what are the color that I want to give? Color equal to blue. In the single quotes I am giving the D values. So here you can see that I am passing the 4 arguments. X-axis represents X list, Y-axis represents Y list, label and the color. Now float has also another functions like X label. That means here you can see that it is automatically come. So X label in bracket in X label that represents the days. Same way PLT dot Y label, what it represents? It represents temperature. So temperature shows the values. Suppose if I want to give the title of this graph, how can I give it? We can give it by the PLT dot title functions. So line float graph, whatever is the title that you want to give, that you have to give. Now PLT dot show is the method through which we have to show the graphs. Now save our programs. Save your programs with .py because of this is the Python program. Now save our programs and click on run modules. So here you can see the outputs. Graph is displayed. Here I am giving the title. Here you can see that what is the title that I am giving in my program? Line float graph. So that the title is coming line float graph. What is the Y label? That is the temperature. X-axis I am giving the days. Now X and the Y, whatever is the value that is given into the X list and the Y list, that is represented here as a line float graphs. You can also change the values of X-axis and Y-axis according to that the user want to give. So here in the X and Y list you can see that first day 33. So here the value is 33. Second day it is 26. So second day it is 26. So in Python this way we are making the line float graph. Let us see another examples with the different arguments, so we will understand it better. So for making the second programs, click on file, then new file. Here I am making the another programs. Let us, we are creating the 2 lines in one program. As usual we are using the matplotlib. So what we have to write down? Import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. Here I am creating the 2 list 10, 20, 30, 40, lines by using the functions plt.float. plt.float is the functions that is making the graphs. Now the first argument that we have to pass, that is x-axis. Now for the x-axis I want to give the list x, for the y I want to give the y, and the label equal to line 1, now in this program I want to float 2 lines at a time, but the argument that is y and x. So this is my second line. Now plt.show is the method through which will represent at our screen. Save your program, click on run module. The program is executed and here you can see that the output. Now let us understand with the help of the example. Here you can see that as a x-axis, what is the information that I am giving? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and as a y 30 I am giving. So what is the line 1? In the line 1, 10, 30, see my cursor carefully, 20, 30, 30, 30, 40, 30 values and the 50 and the 30. So the blue line that represents the line 1. What is the second line that I am giving? That plt.float y comma x, that means the y list that has been considered as a x-axis. So x-axis, that is 30, that is the first value, 10 and 20 and 30, 40 and 50. So we can also create more than one line in Python by using the float functions. Now go with the other arguments, like whenever the line is representing in the line float, at that time the line is coming as a straight line. If we want to change the line style, how can we do it? Here I am giving the argument line style. So line style equal to, in the double quotes, whatever is the pattern that we want, that we have to run. Click, save your programs, click on run and then run modules, and here you can see that the line that is come as a dotted line. Okay, so if you want to give the another symbols, you can also give it into the line style options in the float functions. So today the concepts of the matplotlib, how to create the line graphs. So go through with the all topics that is related with the matplotlib. In the matplotlib, by using the pyplot, we are creating the programs that can contain the one line also and the multiple line also. So go through with 2 programs, and whatever is the query that you have to send me in the message, you can also raise your query in our SSIT YouTube channel. Take care and goodbye.